record. Now we are going to do the clear seams clearing. Right now I will select the same spots and go to edge mode, select the edges which I marked. I will say clear seam, done, clear seam, clear seam. Now I will start from the top. This also I have to clear seam. We'll start from the top and zoom it. Select the edge loop, horizontal edge loop. Right click, mark seam. Alt A. You should not forget to do the deselection, and then again select it and right click, again mark seam. Right. Now the vertical edge also we have to select. It's not a loop, it's just a series of edges. I'll press Alt A, make sure I have deselected everything, and then press the edge uh, series of the edges, vertical edges. Right click, mark seam, done. Now the bottommost one, deselect. Now I am not able to see the drowned part, the submerged part. So I'll switch on the X-ray. Now I will deselect Alt A and then select the edge loop, bottommost edge loop. Right click, mark seam. So all markings are done. Uh, yeah. Now I will also add the lines, that is horizontal edges I have to add. I will delete this one and again add so that it will be recorded here. So I'll press X in the keyboard or delete in the keyboard and then say apply dissolve edges. Right here also I have added that, also I will dissolve. Right click, sorry, X, dissolve edges. Right. Now I will freshly add it and go to the top, Control R. If I'm keeping it in zoom, I won't be able to see the loop cuts are getting added. So first I will little zoom out from the object, not completely, but a bit zoom out, so that at least I should be able to see the from the center to the top or bottom wherever I want to add. So from the center of the geometry I should be able to view it. So I'm able to now see the view at the center of the geometry. I can see a small orange spot there. So that is the center or pivot of the geometry. So there only, whenever we press Control R in the keyboard and keep the cursor on the mesh, the loop cut will get added up. It will start from there only. So I'll keep the cursor on the spot, that is the center of the geometry, and then press Control R. Yeah, it is exactly getting added there. Now I will take it to the top. Right, this is where I want to locate it, and pressing left mouse button. Right, now I will do the second addition also. I'll press Alt A and then add one more. So here also I am keeping the center of the geometry in the view, which is a small orange dot where I am showing the cursor. So there it's going to add it up. Control R. Now I will bring the newly added edge loop down. I can keep it here, I feel. Okay. If we want to move it somewhere, uh, yeah, it is okay. It is matching with the first one. Like, no, I don't have to move it. Now, so the both the additions are done. Now I have to connect them because of the due to the boolean or the knife project operation we did. There is a disconnect happening whenever we are adding the loop cuts, so we have to manually connect it. I'll go to vertex mode and then choose knife in the toolbox and then add it. I should make sure that I'm adding only on the vertical edges. We did this yesterday, but thing is, no, for the second post we didn't do this. In your machine also you didn't do. Yeah. First one we did. We didn't have the time to do for the second one also. Yeah, yeah. You may ask me like why not just copy duplicate the first one, but I prefer again do it, so that no, we are getting the opportunity to practice it again. So for that purpose, yeah. So now I have connected it. Now it has become the loop cut. It was not a loop. Now it is a loop. Now I should immediately go out of the knife tool. So for that I'm pressing W in the keyboard, and I'm going to edge mode, and then pressing the alt, using the pressing hold the alt mouse keyboard button, and then at the same time left mouse button, edge, click on one single edge, and the entire loop will get selected. Now I'm going to make it flat so that it is not zigzag. So for that I'm going to scale, and then uh, scaling down the z axis and pressing 0. I have used special manipulation. This we already, you know already. So same thing, we are doing this special manipulation. Now we are going to do the connection. Same thing, whatever actions we did for the top one, same thing for the down also. I'll go back to the knife tool, and then add it. Yeah. Now enter. Press W, so that we are making sure that we are coming out of the knife tool or any other tool whatever we used just now, and if we feel no more use, we are going to use it, then we have to go out of the tool immediately. I'm pressing W, and I have gone out. Now I will switch to edge mode, and then press Alt A, and now I will select the edge loop cut, and then press, that is, choose the scale icon in the toolbox, and then scale down in Z completely, special manipulation 0. That's all. So this is done. Now uh, I will go to UV editing module, and then okay, you can do till this level. That is, you have done the UV unwrapping. You just have to add the loop cut. That's all. Top and bottom. That's all. Uh-huh. 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 Okay. Why? Because no, you have selected the other object. That is, which one you want. Yeah, yeah. I will tell you. I will tell you. The selection is the other object, and you are trying to the unselected one, trying to zoom the unselected one. This one. Yeah, yeah. I told no. For that, no. You have to select some spot in that place. Now you press apply dot, like that only we have to zoom. Yeah, yeah. The Blender camera, even Maya camera is like that. It won't work more than that. It will. I think the algorithm is like, the more you go closer to an object, more it becomes slower. I think so. So that is why in all 3D software, this while camera zooming, it is not smooth. All the entire sequence, it is not smooth. From distance you can go little closer, but from there it will go slower whenever how much ever pressure you are applying to the button. So yeah, yeah. So at that time we have to do the frame selection. You have to select one vertex or edge or face, and then press dot in the keyboard. It will frame selection. It will do the frame selection. If you are lost like this, no, you are somewhere distance, no, immediately select one small piece of object, either in object mode or in edit mode. You can choose one vertex and go to there, go there like, or even if that is not possible, you can go to outliner and select any object, press frame selection in the object mode. Yeah, like that we can go, we can go near the object and find our refuge like that. Right. Mm. Now you have to add the lines, no? So for that, uh, yeah, front. You can keep in front view, orthographic view, no? It'll be better. You have to keep in. No, no, that is okay. Edit mode is okay. No, no. Uh, Front view one, numerical pad one. Zoom, zoom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, enough. Right. Now you can add. Control R. Yeah. Take it to the. Yeah, I think, yeah, down, below the hook. Yeah, yeah, correct. Alt A. Now you can add here also, bottom also. Then we can do at a stretch. We can do connection and all. Yeah, yeah. That's all. That's all. Alt A. Yeah. Now you can do the connection using the knife tool. Um, press W. We don't need this transformation icons. Now you can switch on the, no, toolbox is there, no, left side in the viewport, 3D viewport toolbox. In that, knife tool will be there. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's the one. Yes. So you have to go, now go to perspective. Uh, okay. Now you go out of the tool, no? Okay. But still, no, you go out of the tool. W, press W. Uh, Press any edge there where you want to focus. No, not this vertical, horizontal, any edge. Yeah. No. Again, you have selected vertical. Uh, okay, select, go to vertex mode, no? Go to vertex mode. Uh, no. Vertex mode. Switch on the vertex icon. Yeah. Now select any vertex. Now press dot in the keyboard. Now you can work. You can maximize it. Control space. Yeah. Now it will be easy for you. Now you can go to knife tool and yes. While doing this, you can. Uh, you have to. Okay. Okay. Undo. From here you start, from this side, right side you start. uh, okay, press enter, no, press enter. So from here you add, I think so, your mouse or something is having some problem, I don't know. Enter, little by little you do. Enter, then okay, now so, no, yeah, that's all. Enter. Okay. So there, two vertices are added actually. Just little slowly zoom on. Two vertices are added. Go out of the tool. W. Uh, uh, W. Press W on the keyboard. Uh, One more W. Yeah. Okay. Now you switch on the gray mode. No, gray mode. Second one. Yeah. Now you can see one more vertex. No, there. Two vertices are there. Select both the vertices. Yeah. Okay, I think two edges are there. How come? Okay, just press M in the keyboard. M. By distance you choose. Now go to the settings. No, left side, down side, down right side. Merge by distance option is there. No, whenever you apply a tool, no, the settings will come. Black color, down. That one. Yeah, increase that to 0.01. Okay, about no, again you select them and press merge. Uh, uh, Increase it to point 0.1. Don't click outside. Don't click outside, because if it needs, no, again we can change the parameter. That's why now it is okay. Now it's okay, they are merged. Yeah. Right. So I think your mouse is having some problem. I think, like, when it is maybe the sometimes, no, some machines mouse will be like very fast. From one place to another place it goes very fast. Generally in 3D, if I move my mouse inside this scroll pad, mouse pad, it will go only little distance, because so many areas are there, contexts are there inside small space itself in the blender. So maybe mouse speed you can control, I think. So that's the only issue I'm seeing. Right. Now go to edge mode. No, go to edge mode. No, is space edge. Now you try to select the loop which you have added. Alt. uh, Yeah, so it is a loop only. Now you have to scale it down to 0 using special manipulation. Go to scale icon in the toolbox. One, two, three. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Z axis. Press hold Z axis and then type 0. Special manipulation. Yeah, that's all finished. So same thing, you have to do the connection for the top one also. RTA, and then immediately press Alt A. So uh, go to vertex mode. Vertex mode. Yeah. You are feeling this gizmo as a bit. W, press W. Yeah, let it be in person. Now you can switch on the gray mode. Switch off the X-ray mode. Gray mode is on. Yeah. Now you can knife. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, enter. No. Okay, one more you have added. I think only where there are no edges you have to add. Now go press W immediately. Go out of the tool. Yeah. Now you are in vertex mode. You have to see whether you have added any other unwanted vertices. Let it be. Let X-ray be switch off only. Switch off. Yeah. Now Alt deselect. Last one that you select, only last what is this where you added, no, next to them. Okay, when you selecting, no, pick select, don't do the, yeah, press W again, it will shuffle. Press W. This is the one. Yeah. So just try to move it, no, whether you have to see whether two vertices are there in the same spot. For that you have to move it. No, move it means move the vertex, I'm saying. Go to move tool and then move it. Yeah. Move. Yeah. Yeah, just see the view, no. Turn your camera and then. Now you do. Only one is it. Oh, right. Okay, right. Deselect and then go to edge mode and then. Yeah, you can select the loop and then scale it down in Z axis. Go to scale. Scale icon in the, yeah, special manipulation. Z. Yeah. 0. Oh, yeah, that's all. So Alt A, and now you can select all the go to. You have to press Control Space. Right. Now press A in the keyboard. Now again do the UV unwrapping just for refreshing. No, you are doing it. No, okay. Press press U, U, and then UV unwrap. Yeah, that's all. Right. So same thing I will also do. So I have also added the lines, horizontal lines. I'm in the UV editing module. I have switched on the sync button in the UV editor panel top side. Now I'm keeping my cursor on the UV editor panel and pressing U and choosing U unwrap. Right, it's done. And press home button in the keyboard. It will come like this. That is the use of utility of home button. Or if I want to go closer, I will just press dot in the keyboard, so it will come closer. Or if I want to go close to some particular island, I will press Alt A, deselect completely, then press L in the keyboard and then choose one thing. And I should make sure that whenever I'm selecting the islands, I should be always in face mode. This is uh, thumb rule. I should be in face mode and then only I should choose the islands. So if I'm in vertex mode, you see how it is getting selected. I'll keep the cursor on one island. Other things also will get selected when I am in vertex mode. So in vertex mode, I should not press L in the keyboard. I should not select the island. I should be in face mode and then take the cursor to any island, whichever I want to select. Then press L in the keyboard. It will select only that it is very decent. Right. Yeah. Now I have to press A and then press U and then apply and run. It is the same thing, just we are refreshing. Right. Now we have to do the next step, which is to take snapshot and take it to Photoshop. Right. Now, yeah. Now you see one thing I have to tell you. This post, you just observe, watch this my screen very keenly. I will show you this thing. What is now shown is the second post, UV unwrap pieces, what you are seeing. Yeah, now I will select the other post and go to UV unwrap. They are looking alike. In fact, I can select both of them and then go to edit mode by pressing tab in the keyboard and press A in the keyboard. Immediately I will see both are same because it is a duplicated one. When we modeled the post, cylindrical post, immediately we duplicated it. So, and we have added the lines exactly at the same level. So though we did it differently, that is, we did it separately, but still no, somehow the lines where we added inside the geometry, two lines, top loop cut and bottom loop cut, we added extra. Those lines also we somehow, fortunately, we added at the same spot. So yeah, so they are identical. That is why in some cases, no, I will show you like this. It may come when I, if the shape is slightly different, this post is slightly different from this first post, then how it will come, it will come, it may come like this, little off it may come. So when I select both of them and go to edit mode, it will look like this, see. uh, so it should not look like that. That is why, if I make a texture, if I make a texture for one post, it can be applied for another post also. Yeah. I will tell you in Photoshop. You will know it clearly, but I have to tell this in the beginning itself, so that you can think about it when you are doing. We are doing in Photoshop. Right now, yeah. Now I'll go to edit mode and then go to tweak. I don't want this gizmo to obstruct my view, so I'm every time going to default cursor mode, which in Blender they call it tweak. Now I have selected my mesh. It should be in selection, yellow color, active selection. It should be only then we have to go to. Only after that we have to go to UV snapshot. I'm choosing the UV menu. In that we can see UV snapshot. Yeah, in the version 4 they have changed the spot where it is. uh, Export UV layout. This is the one. So in the when I go to UV menu, we can see export UV layout, and before that UV layout, this faces should be in selection. It should be in face mode, and all the faces whichever I am going to, that is entire object, whichever object I am going to do the UV unwrap for, it should be in selected. All those faces should be in selected selection, and then now I am going to UV menu and choosing the export UV layout. Now it will ask where to save the snapshot first. So I will choose always the textures, which I didn't tell you. At the end of the class I will be explaining all these, resizing the windows, viewports, and then how to create a file directory in the Blender. All that I will tell you. Now for now you can just save it in wherever you are saving the mesh file, there only you can save it. In my case I have already the directory, so I can save inside the texture folder, and I will save it as PNG. Yeah, PNG is okay. PNG format, and then 1K texture, size is 1K texture, and cylindrical post. I will add a underscore, should not have space or dot or anything. Cylindrical underscore post dot png. Export layout. This fill opacity, sometimes we may have to increase it or decrease it. For now, this fill capacity in the right side settings, it is 0.5, 0.25. We can see in loading, after loading in Photoshop, whether it is this 0.25 is okay or not. Export UV layout. I will go to Photoshop. I will share the Photoshop screen now. I'll go to file, open, and then wherever I saved, I'm going exactly there, because when I'm saving itself, when I'm saving the export UV layout in the Blender, there only I will see where where I'm saving, which location I'm saving, so that when I come to Photoshop I need not search for, so immediately I can go there and load it from. Now I'm into the texture folder. I'm seeing the cylindrical underscore post, and I can just say open. Yeah, it has come all right. Yeah. See, now we have to whatever we are going to paint here, and when we apply it as a texture in the Blender, it will show up. So now you are knowing that we have to do the unwrapping of the mesh, make it a flat bed, and bring it to the Photoshop on and paint on that flat bed, and then save it as JPEG or TGA or whatever, and apply it as a texture in Blender. This is a process for UV unwrapping and texturing. So till this level you can do. I will unshare. You can share your screen. Yeah, now your faces are selected in the UV panel. Yeah, okay. So go to the take your cursor to UV panel, and there UV menu is there. Yeah, in that export UV is should be there. Export UV there. Okay, so many versions are there, no? So you have to save here only. CYL underscore post. CYL underscore post underscore dot png, let it be there. That is all. Now, one second, one second. So you are seeing these right side parameters, no? It is a format it is showing. Whichever format you want to choose, no? There you can see. You have another other formats also. We have a limited number of formats for UV actually. Whenever you save image as, no, uh, I will show you that when while doing the texturing I showed you, but this time also I'll show you. So we have many options, but here in case of UV we have only three options. In that we are always choosing the PNG only, right? So you are seeing no sizes how much it is 1024 into 1024, so means what, xy dimension. So maybe sometimes you may want to fill 2048 into 2048, depends on your machine's configuration, because we should also be careful that blender anytime will get closed. This is one uh, problem or issue in blender. Okay, it will get closed, it cannot take. So that is also there. See, many plus points are there with blender, some minus points will be there. Is bound to be there. So yeah, so that is one problem in blender. Now we cannot call the customer care also because we didn't buy the software. uh, yeah, that is one thing. So we have to have a very good machine to manage high end textures and all. So we are choosing only 1024 into 1024, which is okay, which is not so minimal, which is not so high and all. Generally people choose 2K. 2048 into 2048 is the texture. Generally nowadays we are actually, because our size of uh, viewing, no, now has become inside the house itself we are watching big televisions, and that we are watching YouTubes. For that we are using HD 1920 into 1080 settings, pixel setting. So for that they are using 2K textures. So for in our case, we are safely with 1024 into 1024. This fill capacity 0.25, no, it is the color of the that lines it is going to take snapshot. If it is too bright also, it will be like too much. We don't need that. So 0.25 is okay for us. So it is okay. Yeah, this default setting. So now you have named it export UV layout. You can press. Yeah. Okay. Now you can save the file because you didn't save the file. I think save the file and then right now go to Photoshop and yeah, I think it's latest Photoshop. Okay. So in case of Photoshop, no, I will show my screen. Can you just manage with dual screen and like that? You can just do it same time like that. Yeah. Now, yeah, yeah. Now sorry. Now uh, we can just think about what color it can have. I feel the color scheme for what we the models we have done, no, can be yellow color. In any social, it's not social, sorry, in the roads, whatever they are doing, no, but school buses and all these mostly will be in yellow bright color, so that from distance we can immediately identify it. So that color wavelength is like that. So we will also choose the yellow color, so that vehicle coming from distance will be immediately able to recognize the barricade system, and then stop or do dodge and go, like that it can do. So we are choosing that yellow color. uh, you may ask me where we should paint the yellow color. What I'm doing is I'm using this one. I'm creating one layer in the Photoshop, and then going to the this mark tool, rectangular mark tool is there. So you can just see my screen. I'm just drawing the rectangle on the biggest surface, island, and then I'm going to color box, foreground color, FG color, and I will choose yellow color. It can be, it need not be the same yellow color what I am choosing. It can be almost more or less yellow, and yeah, I'm choosing yellow color. This is okay for me, and then I'm going to use paint bucket and paint it. When I'm going to paint it, I'm going to hide the previous layer. I'm not going to delete it. I'll just hide it in the layers so that I can paint it properly. Yeah. Now, having done this, I will just select the second layer, the latest layer, and just decrease the opacity, so that now I don't want this middle one to have the yellow color. So I will do the mark selection and delete that spot. So Control D I will do, like how we do Alt A in Blender. Here we have Control D, so that it will deselect. Control D, and then select the middle spot, not so edgy. It should be inside the thing. So you can zoom it and show you. I am not selecting it like this, then these places will also go off. No, it should not become like this. I will select very carefully inside this empty area only, not touching the lines, not touching like this. No, I should not do like this is wrong. This is right. What I'm going to do is right. See, I'm choosing inside the area only, like this. Very careful in choosing. Yeah. So in your case also you can zoom it and do. Now I am deleting it. Right. Now press Z and I'll go back to the hit screen. Yeah. Now I can opacity make it 100, like this. Now another thing I want to do is I want to paint here something. Okay, till this level you can do. Till this level you can do. Yeah. You just have to paint the use the mark tool and first mark the entire angle, entire island. Yeah. You little zoom in. No, your fit screen you apply for your Photoshop. Yeah. I don't know in new Photoshop where the tools are in the. You try to press Alt or zoom it. Try to zoom it. Uh-huh. There is should be a zoom icon in the toolbox. Toolbox zoom icon should be there. Yeah. Now, is there any fit screen option there? That's all. This is what we do. Now go to the mark tool. That is dotted lines will be there in the toolbox somewhere in the top. I think yeah, top one. Dotted lines. Yeah, mark. Yeah. So that using that you are going to mark the bigger island, whichever is the bigger most island no in your image, that you are going to choose entirely. No, don't move the image. No, don't. No, don't zoom the image. No, not that one. You fit screen. You apply again. Fit screen. Yeah. So don't change the view now. Don't zoom it or anything. Just go to mark tool. Yeah, and then choose the entire island. Island means I told no pieces of unwrap. Some one piece of unwrap, second piece of unwrap, like that. Many pieces of unwraps are there. Uh, okay, I will show you. I think no. You share your screen, no? Yeah. Okay. You have to just maximize it. Uh, yeah. I have to maximize it in your screen. Yeah. So now you have to yeah maximize. Now you have to you have s- okay you are sharing. It's my share my screen. It is sharing. Okay. Yeah. You have to share your screen. I think. Yeah. You share your screen. No, I'm seeing only my screen previously also. Now I'm able to see. Right. Now go to the mark tool, which is in circle. Mark tool should be rectangular. Yeah. Select. Press there. You choose the. It is showing some option here. You choose. Okay. It is. You press there for press hold there on the icon there, that in the toolbox, in the toolbox. Yeah, press hold there. There rectangle. Yeah, first one. Yeah. Now control D, you press control D. ah. Now from the left top side corner, start drawing. Left to top side corner, start drawing the rectangle. No. Left to topmost corner and yeah. So from there you till yeah. No. Wait. Only one island you are going to select. I told no. One island means one piece of unwrap. So how many pieces are there here? One, two, three, four. Four pieces of unwraps are there. Only first piece no you are going to select. No. I will show you. I will show you. You watch my screen carefully. I will show you. See how many. Uh, okay. See, I am drawing the. This is how many pieces are there, unwrapped pieces. Okay, so yeah. Now you see how many pieces of unwraps are there. This one is there. Uh, okay. See in Blender only I'll show you because it will be clear. The screen is clear. Now I'll go to. I'm deselecting everything and press. I'm selecting one island. Okay. So this is one island. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So when I say select this island, you should not select all the island. Right. So I'm selecting only this island. Right. I'm selecting the second piece of island. Okay. I'm selecting the third piece of island. Okay. I'm deselecting and selecting the fourth piece of island. So four islands are there here. Four islands are there. So when I say in Photoshop select only this island means what you have to do is you have to go to the mark tool and then select only this one. You see? Do you see this? Do you see? Only that one you have to select. Like this you have to select. So one unwrap by another piece of unwrap we have to select and paint the yellow color. Like that we have to do. Yeah. Yeah. So go to Photoshop and then do the same thing, like selecting the one, yeah, mark tool, select that first bigger piece of island. Yeah, that one, yeah. No, no, you should not start from the middle. No, no, I told you, no, that is entire piece of island. From the till down. I showed you now in the blender, no, that is one entire piece of island it is. Yeah. Ah. Now you have to paint. No, it is not in Photoshop. No, I am not able to see it properly. I think Control D. You press Control D. Yeah. Ah. See, you didn't select properly. Go to the top. Again, select. No, slowly you select. Yeah. Uh, yeah, yeah. Come down. Come down. Come down. Yeah. Correct. Enough. Don't click anywhere now. huh? I think it's in selection now. Right side you are seeing color panels and all, no? Yeah, yeah, okay. Now you go to the next, another tool, which is paint bucket. You just try to find the paint bucket, no? No, no, not that one. Don't click anywhere, okay? Go to the toolbox only. Don't click in the view. uh, Paint bucket, select any, no. There only that gradient box is there. There you see that, you just have to press their button so that it will show all the options. Press on the button. Paint bucket, yeah. Now you go to choose the color. uh, Go to the right side of the color panel. Go to color panel, choose yellow color. Yeah, full yellow color. Yeah. No, no, not dark, bright yellow. Yeah. Now you just paint here. Okay. Now only one undo you do. Now you go to layers, right side layers, switch off the previous layer. Switch off. Okay, inside this one. Okay, right. You have to create one more layer now. Come down. A new layer. New layer. Yeah. Okay. Now previous layer you switch off. No, no, don't. No, no. Previous layer you switch off. Right? No, no, no. Previous layer. Ah. Now select that layer, new layer, and then paint it. Ah. You have to not right click. Yeah. Right. So this is how you just learn Photoshop, no? Because Photoshop, this is bit basic. If you are just doing these very small things in Photoshop, we can take more time for Blender than Photoshop. Now, yeah, yeah. Now you have to make a small hole in this rectangle. So for that, no, you have to first opacity. You are seeing, no, for the layer two opacity, make it 50%. Yeah, yeah. Now switch on the layer one. Yeah. Now zoom to that window kind of thing, no? zoom, press Z in the keyboard and zoom. No, yeah, that is okay. So, oh, right, right. Yes, yeah. Ah, enough. Now you are again going to do the mark rectangle and draw inside rectangle only. Yeah, yes. Draw inside the inside it. Yeah, inside. Yeah, careful. No, not. Don't touch the edges. Yeah. Now press delete. Delete. Yeah, press delete in the keyboard. Uh, Control D. That's all. Deselect. Control D. Yeah. So same thing you have to do the marking for other things also. Like mark using the mark tool, you are going to do the other things. First, you have to bring it to the fit screen. Press Z in the keyboard and then uh, zoom lens you choose in the toolbox, and then you will see the fit screen option. Yeah. So now you have to select the another layer you have to create in the layer box. Yeah, first one. Yeah. So this is layer 3. Uh, First one should be there. Yeah, layer 1 should always be there. Yeah. Now here you are going to choose another same color, but draw a different rectangle, mark rectangle. No. For the second rectangular piece. Control D. This below the circle one piece is there, no? That one. So only that one you precisely you select. Yeah. You make sure that you have selected the entire that piece, no, that island. Uh-huh. Okay. Now you have to do the filling. Go to bucket in the toolbox, left side toolbox. Yeah. And switch off the layer 1 and switch on the layer 3, and that's uh, yeah. So control D, this is done. So now for circle, no, you know the mark circle you have to do layer, create one more layer for every circle, every piece of island, no, you have to create a different layer. So now three layers are there, one more layer you have to create. Layer 4. Okay. Now go to mark tool and choose circle. You have to press on the circle. No. Undo. Control D you do. Control D. So go to mark tool and press there. You will see all the options. Always all the tools. No, you just press and hold it. It will see. It will display many options. Circle. Yeah. Now you draw the circle. This is bit you have to practice because that circle it won't come immediately easily. Okay, for now, no, you just manage with this one. Okay, this is okay. Now uh, go to layers and switch off the layer 1, and then go to select fourth layer. See that you are you have selected the fourth layer. Only then you have to do the bucket filling. Now you do bucket filling. So same thing for the last one. You can yourself do that. Control D. Control D. Control D for deselection. Only then you have to go for the next one. no, no, no. See, those edges should be inside your selection. Uh, no, no, bigger, bigger. No, no, not so bigger. It's bit tough only. I think you have to change your mouse. I think. This is okay. Somewhat okay. So this is okay. Yeah, yeah, leave it. Because Photoshop will consume more time. So go to bucket filling. Switch off the layer, first layer. Yeah. Now fill it. Yeah. Yeah. Now you have done the yellow part of it. We have to do uh, the black paint. Some designs also we have to add. So I think for that we can go to Google and then do. Uh, right. Wait. I'll just see. Okay. So we ourselves will do in Photoshop itself. I will show you what. It's very easy only. So, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Sure. Now I will do the same thing what you did. We'll create a new layer and then draw a rectangle. See, when I am drawing the circle, you see how exactly I am drawing. It's not uh, going loose. See, I'll go to mark circle, and I'm not drawing like this. Yeah, yeah. I have to be a bit exact. So, at least to maximum possible, I should match my selection shape should match the circle what it is, and then the circle that is the edges should come inside my selection. It should not be like this. No, it should be like this. It should be outside. So selection should encompass the edges. Okay, selection circle should be bigger than the edges, bigger than the shape, mesh shape, or blender we bigger than the island. Huh? Right. Now I'll uh, fill the bucket. Right, it's done. I'll do the same thing for the this shape also. I'll add new layer and then fill the shape. Right. Now we are going to fill the black color. Before that, I'll just save it, because if anything happens to file again, we will have to do it. So I will save it on the Same file. I will overwrite on the same file png. Uh, okay, png. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Save, replace it. Now I'm going to draw some black designs, simple designs. Same mark I'm going to use, rectangular mark tool. Uh, I'm just filling here like this. Uh, Black color. I'll create a new layer for this one, and then paint bucket like this. Uh, Now I will delete some parts in that like this. Do the mark rectangular mark selection and delete it. Do the rectangular mark selection and delete it. Delete it. Delete like this. So it will not be exact. It can be little uh, random. It's okay. Okay. Now I will just duplicate the same here. I'll go to layers and duplicate it and keep it below. Right, and okay, this small piece also I can draw some small black colors. For that I'll create a new layer and then fill the black like this. Yeah, it's okay. So like this some design no you can also make. If you want I will send you in WhatsApp. Yeah, wait. I'm copying it and sending you. Yeah, in WhatsApp I have sent you. You can just take it as a reference and do it in Photoshop. Now you can share your screen. Yeah, yeah, something like this. Uh-huh. No, this time you just try, no? This time you just try. Yeah, how much time we have? Uh-huh. Okay. So I will send the image. Huh? I will send the image. I will send the image completely because this is half screenshot, no? Just for reference. So I will send you the complete image. Yeah. Yeah. I'll send you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I have saved it. I'll go to WhatsApp. Yeah, have sent you. You can save it in wherever, whichever folder your meshes are there, no, your blend dot blend files are there. There only you can save the same file. Now, yeah, so you can, uh, though now we are going to go back to Blender. You can save the whatever Photoshop, in Photoshop whatever you have saved it. You can just save it in a different name and keep it, different name, just to test image, like that, something you can name it, test image. Because if it is in the same name, no, it will get over that, it will change the name, right. Save it as Photoshop only, yes, so that no, you can come back when you are free, no, you can try this, because Photoshop is needed only basic tools. If you, what I showed you now, that if you are doing, it'll be nice, I think. Yeah, yeah. Just press the button, ignore. So now you can go to Blender. Okay, I will share you, I will share with you. So now we have done the texture work. I'll go to the layout, back to the layout, and I'm going to apply the texture. Sorry. So for texturing, we, in the properties panel, I told you, no, most of the tools are stuffed inside the properties panel, which is below the outliner. So all the tools you will see, yeah. So for this, applying the texture also, application of texture, we have to go there only, to the properties panel. There you will see something called material properties. That day we went there. Same, we are going material properties. You can, whenever you want to see what icon it is, what tool it is, then you can just keep your cursor on that icon for some time. It will immediately show that it is material properties. Label will pop up, so with that you can know. Yeah, yeah. So I have selected the object. I'm in object mode. I'm in layout module. So layout module, object mode, I have selected the object. After that, I am going to material properties in the properties panel and pressing new. It will take some time. Yeah, it has come up. Right. Now, I'm going to name this as CYL post underscore MATR material. Now I'm going to choose the texture and apply it in the base color only. So I'll go to the base color and then go to image texture. I'll choose image. When I click on this dot near the base color, fluorescent dot is there, and press on that, menu will pop up. In that menu I'm choosing image texture, and I'm seeing new open buttons and all. Immediately I will choose the open and then choose our texture where it is cylinder. We have to go for that website stuff. Yeah, cylindrical post. Now, now it's been applied, but only thing I'm not able to see it in the mesh mode. So for that I have to change it to, I have to press Z in the keyboard and change it to material preview mode. Now immediately I'm able to see. Yeah, yeah. So wherever, this is where, why we were drawing this line, just for this um, one sign that okay, above this line only I should draw the black designs, I should keep the black designs like that, just for uh, our assistance, no, we are just adding this line, otherwise these lines are not needed. Now I can delete it, actually I can delete it, no problem. So now we have done. For other things uh, we don't have to apply texture, we can apply steel material and all. Only for this post also same thing I should apply. For that there is a an option, but I will tell you first. You can also do this. You can go to in your, you can share your screen. Yeah, yeah. Now you are in layout mode, no? Just control space. You are still in UV editing module. Go to layout mode first. Layout module. Sorry. Now let it be in shade mode. No. Now we have our modifying vertices and all finished. So we can be in shade mode. We are going to apply the texture only. Solid mode. Press Z in the keyboard. Choose solid. Yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. So here only our focus is, you can come out of this gizmo. Pressing W, you can come out of this gizmo. Yeah. Now you know that we are going to apply the texture. Go to properties panel right side, and there you will see right side properties panel. Below this is outliner. This is properties panel. There you will see many icons. In that last icon you are seeing something kind of a globe kind of thing is there. Yeah, it is not actually globe. There you click the new. It will take time. Wait. Now in the material words, no, in the black color field, there you type cylinder post material. Short form you write sil post matr, like that. Enter. Right. Now there you are seeing base color factor, no? Below base color factor, in the dot is there, fluorescent or yellow color dot is there, base color. No, base color near that is one. Yeah, you press, you will see a menu. Yeah, see how many are there in that image texture. Yeah. Now you are seeing new and open buttons, right? No, not new. Open and give that texture. First one. Okay, right. Now you won't be able to see because you are in solid mode, not in preview mode. So press Z in the keyboard and choose preview mode. Yeah, now you will see. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. So just press. You have to do this also. No, you can do this. There is a shortcut for this, but I want you to do the same thing, same action for this also. Press new, all that. Yeah. Press new. This material. Yeah. Name it. Now no. One thing I will tell you. One thing. Sorry. Just one. Yeah. Since it's there, I will tell you how to, where to choose it from. But before that, you have to close this one. So for that, into yeah. Now you are seeing one block. No, world white color globe like block is there. There you can choose that name. Yeah. This will get it. Right. Now we have applied the textures for post. We have to apply only material. Those other things only needs material. So you can select the, I think you have, we have hidden the closets and all. You can hide unhide the closets, no, in the outliner closets are hidden. Yeah. Yeah. So any one closet you choose. Now new, and then name it as closet. No. This same thing won't work. Material or something. Closet material. You closet if you name, no. it should not resemble the object's name. So you should mention that it is material, MATR, like that. Enter. Now, in base color, we are not going to apply any texture. We will apply only that yellow color, which is maximum matching it. Now, for that, no, go to UV editor, UV editing module. Uh, Now just select the cylinder. No, select the. Okay, go back to go to object mode. Object here, right side object mode. Select this one, and now go to edit mode. Press. You will see this one. You will see this one. Okay. Now, so this yellow color, no, this is what we are going to choose for the next object also. So you can just now you can go back to object mode and then close it. Select the close it. Select the top one. Close it. Press dot. No, press dot. Dot in the object. Select the. Yeah, very good. Now you go to the material mode. Right side, material properties. Yeah. Now go to base color. Base color, color. No, sorry. Escape color portion. Yeah. Now there is a. You just try to choose the color. Try to choose the same color. Uh, okay. Some maybe correct. You just come out of it. Press Z in the viewport. No. Don't change the viewport. Yeah. Preview. Yeah. Now you are able to see it's almost same color, but still no, we want to be exact. So for that, go to the panel, and you are seeing this pick color icon, pencil is there. Go to the UV editor panel and choose that eye drop. Yeah. Now you have attained, right? So for this only, we opened the we selected the cylinder and went to UV editor panel, and then we are able to choose finally the with the eyedropper, right? Now, yeah, now you have named it as closet material and all. Okay, one thing we have to do, just press dot in the keyboard, right click on the mesh, shade auto smooth. Yeah, that's all. Very good. For this cylinder also you do the same thing, no? Select the cylinder and shade auto smooth. First cylinder. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Shades on. Okay. I think for everything we have to do that. Right. Dot, press dot. Okay, fine. Good. Right. Yeah, that's all. So the now you have having selected this one, you can go to the properties, material properties, and from the block, no, white color globe block, white color, white. There you choose that material. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now you have given the closets, the shader material. No, now it's done. Now we have to do one thing, is apply the cube also the same color. I think we can apply the same shader only, because there is no texture. So select the cubes, that is slit where it is standing on. uh, in Blender, no, this thing won't work actually. Yeah, only one thing you have to select at a time, and then apply that closet material only. No, close the box, close the box, right side. Yeah. Go to the block, material block, that white color globe icon. Yeah, now you choose that closet material only. Closet material. Yeah. So now, no, you go to layout mode. No, layout module, sorry, layout module. Now, just listen, no, don't do anything. You want to copy this material to the same material to this guy, no? Instead of going to data block, that is we were choosing the data block, instead of that I want you to copy the material from this object. So that all tool also you will learn. So first select the white color box, the unmaterial, that one. Then select the master from whom you are going to take the material. Shift select, right? Very good. Control, press Control L, and then link materials, third one. Yeah, now it's copied. So like right now, for like this only, for chains also we have to do one chain. We have to apply steel texture, and then link materials we have to do. So first one chain we have to apply steel texture. You just right click on the chain and do auto smooth. Yeah, auto. First, second option. Now go to material properties. uh, Now you have to create new material. Make Name it steel material. Yeah. Now a base color should be white only, it's okay. Roughness should be point, how much it is, point 0.5. So point 0.05, let it be point 0.05 roughness. Yeah. Metallic should be point 0.8. Right. Now okay, now just press dot in the keyboard. Zoom in, uh, zoom in completely. Yeah. Now just now you can see the steel text, steel. Yeah. So same thing you want for others also. So first this one slave and then master. Yeah. Control L. This master. Yeah. Control L. Link materials. I don't know. It is all in only in the shortcuts. Yeah. Link materials. Third one. Yeah. So other hooks and all there, no, that also you have to do the same thing. This one, you can select all the slaves and then finally select the master, because master is going to be one. Select carefully all the slaves, because very carefully, and then also the link chains are the filler chains are also there. Yeah, that one also. Yeah, and up. Yeah, that's why I always zoom and do. Yeah. So I think all are selected now. Last master chain, any that this one. Yeah. Yeah, shift is selected. Oh, you have selected the curve, and one undo you do. Just select. Yeah. Control L. Link it. Yeah. That's all. That's all. Finished. Now there is one flaw in this. What you know? In my case, in according to my dimensions, my post dimensions, I have created a window here. That is, we in Photoshop we just deleted some part, no, yellow color we in Photoshop we did. So there you have to load my texture in the Photoshop and fill the same color there, same yellow color. You have to go to Photoshop. Yeah. 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 Now you see first piece of island, no, biggermost island. There window kind of thing you are seeing, no. There we deleted, no. So we have to fill back it, back the same color. We have the color selected already in the foreground. It's there. So you just have to select, do the mark, go to the mark rectangular, and then create one more layer. For no, I prefer one more layer. Control D, no. Control One more layer you select, create, New layer. Yeah, new layer. Yeah. Oh no 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 not group. New layer. Right now you can do the same selection there in that part. Yeah. No no. Now you can do the whole selection. Little bigger than this size. Little bigger than this size. Yeah. That is, it should cover all. That entire part should become yellow color. Yeah. Now fill, bucket filling. That, yeah, that's all. Now control D. Okay, you have taken your image. Okay, okay. That is, you have to load my image. What I gave, no WhatsApp. Because you have to do, because in this you don't, we don't have the black color. Open. Yeah. Cylinder. That one. Sorry. Right. Now same thing you have to do there. Press Z. Z. Yeah. Fit screen. Zoom in there. Yeah. Mark rectangular tool. No, not inside it. Little outside it. Otherwise, again gap will be there. There should not be any white there. Yeah. Yeah. Now go to. You don't have to hide anything. Go to bucket. Fill it. That's all. Yeah. Oh, the color is little changed, no? How come? Okay, now we have to go to the foreground color in the toolbox. For toolbox, left side, always in all softwares, no, toolbox will be on the left side. Foreground color, yeah, FG color, yeah. Pick that. If you pick that, color will appear. Now, color picker is there. You just try to see, no, color picker. No. Okay, okay. So you come outside, come. Yeah, no, no, don't have to cancel it. Just come outside. Yeah, yeah. Now you just, yeah. Now save. Okay. No, 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 no. Sick. Okay. Then you paint it. Bucket filling, paint. Yeah, that's it. Now Control D, save it. Overwrite it. Overwrite it. Yeah. Save. First one. No, no. Save in that save first one. Save as, not save as, save. Yeah. Okay, it is showing like this only. So go to PNG. Okay, save as is also okay. Save as, PNG. Uh-huh. Okay. So save. Okay. Oh, save a copy. Okay. Yeah. I think JPEG you try. Maybe you would have saved it at JPEG, I think. Yeah. Okay. Save, save. Click on that file and then save. Right. Okay. Right. You minimize this and go to Blender. Now just to see whether it is updated. No, no, it is not. You just zoom into that spot where we filled the color. Still, it is white only. No, that window part is white. Now you select that object. Now you go to the material properties. It is there already. So that folder icon is there. No, below the base color factor. Come down. Folder icon. No, no, no. Base color. Base that one. Below that, folder icon is a white color. That. So again, you give the same texture which one you saved recently. Yeah, that's it. Fine. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So now we have done this. Uh, right. You want to look, keep it in frame selection, no? Just select both the post. Select both the post and then press dot. Now you turn around the camera. No, no, don't zoom in. Little zoom in. That is, need not go far. Yeah, now you can turn around the camera. The camera will turn only around that because you have done the frame selection. It will turn around only around that. Like that. So now you can just put a floor below it. Go to Alt A first. Deselect everything. Alt A. Yeah. Go to add submenus. Add submenus. Yeah. Add mesh plane. First one. Yeah. It is already created. You can close this settings. Close this settings. Yeah. You can, okay, select the plane. Select the plane in the outliner. uh, okay, that is all. Scale it. Now you can do the scaling without like this only. Yeah, enough. Little, place it in the middle and then again scale. Yeah, white color circle. Okay, right. That is uniform for that. Yeah, right. So now you can Alt A, uh, go to add again, and come to lights. Light is there, no? Light below, light is there. In that, you choose spotlight. Yeah. Now I will show you. You can just move it and keep it upwards. Uh, Go to move icon and then in the toolbox and move it up. Keep it, place it upwards so that it will be visible. It is always, whenever we create something, it will come in the world origin. No, we have to move it all that way. So you can scale it also for your uh, visibility. No, you can scale the light. Go to press S in the keyboard and then uniform scale. Uniform scale. Yeah. White circle. Uniform. Bigger. Still bigger. Make it more bigger. Yeah. Now you place it from the little like ceiling light. You keep it. Prove the select the move and yeah. Yeah. Move it up. Move it up. Still more. Still more. Yeah. Enough. Now you are not able to see its effect. No. So for that, press Z in the keyboard. This settings, no, whatever is coming in the down, you can minimize it. Whenever it's coming, it will pop up. Yeah, rendered. Now you are not seeing its effect, but you can see that there is no default light, like how in previous preview mode. In preview mode there is a default light, but here we don't have it. So what we should do is, one thing first, go to outliner. Right side. Go to the top. uh, yeah, there already a light will be there. Go to the top, a default light will be there. It's not there, okay, you have deleted it, I think. Okay, right. Okay, so by default camera and light will be there and a cube will be there, so you have deleted it. Now this light we are going to deal with. In generally in Blender, no, the light is always dim. We have to give more intensity to it. So you see how much watts it is. You can come to the right side of the panel. There's a properties panel. Below the outliner, properties panel. Yeah. So there you are seeing color factor, power factor, diffuse, all that. No. So in that power factor, You have to change it to some 500 or something. Yeah, yeah. Enter. So nothing has come, huh? Okay. Okay. I will just show you. I'll share this screen. You can save this scene file. Meanwhile, so I'm doing the same thing what you did. For this one, we need steel texture. Go there, zoom it, and then apply the steel texture, steel material. Sorry, and then roughness 0.05 with metallic point 0.8. Now we just have to select all the objects. I don't know in your case you selected this nuts and bolts or not. So, right. We will finish it. We will finish. Okay. Now we have to just keep the light. I'll go to layout mode only. I'll go to add and then light, spotlight. Uh, now, So you can just increase the diffuse also. You don't have to share. Just decrease the diffuse to 100 and specular to 200 in the light properties. Yeah, yeah. Uh, Go to light. Um, so right side your little you can maximize your view. That is, you see my screen in my screen, no, outliner and properties panel are bit larger. It is occupying the more space. So that one, yeah, yeah, right. Now, yeah, that is enough. Yeah. Now power is 1000 for me. You can also type 1000. Uh, Diffuse is 100. Yeah. Yeah, it needs more. And specular is 200. Yeah. Right. So like this, you can now you can place the light like how I will show you. I will show you. Now I'm choosing the handle only here, single handle movement, and then rotating it in the x-axis like this, and I'm choosing in the transform orientation local, and then moving it like this, right? Okay, fine. Now I feel one more light is needed. I don't know whether we have time or not. So I just place one point light and try to. There is something called ambient light. In the next class, I will tell you all that, and also I have to tell you the resizing of the areas or windows viewports in the blender. So all that I will tell you. So you can just parallelly talk. I'm just increasing the value of the. I have taken the point light. You can go to. You did not share your your screen. You can just go to add light and bring the point light and keep it like this. What I have kept, no, my spotlight is on the right side and point light is on the left side, like that. Something similar you can keep it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, great. So you can select the point light and uh, one second, and go to the color. You can change the color to some slightly red color or something. uh, and power should be 1000 watts. Yeah, and diffuse is 200. Specular, if you want, you can increase to 3 or 4. That is enough. Maybe 5. Specular 5. That is enough. 5, only 5, just 5. Yeah. Now, uh, uh, you can see the shadows, no? Shadows you are able to see. Yeah. So, if you want to render this, we can render also. Uh, you In the properties panel right side, you are seeing some so many icons are there. Second icon you have to choose. you can take your cursor there, render. There you can see bloom. Just switch on that bloom, and then screen space reflections switch on. Yeah, yeah. And then select the third icon in the properties panel. It will show you render properties, format and all will be there. Render output properties. Yeah, output. In that output properties we need not need this much size, so increase it, that is, uh, double click on the percentage, 100 percentage, and type 50. Type 50, so that it will calculate the half of the HD by itself. We need not type the dimensions, x is equal to this much, y is equal to this much and all. Now frame range is set to start 1 to 1 only, end 1, start 1, end 1. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it is asking for output field. You can see that below stereoscopy one tab is there in the same render output property settings. Output one thing is there. That is, you just now you set the format 50%, frame range 1 to 1, and below that time stretching, below that stereoscopy, and below that output you are seeing. There folder icon is there. In that folder icon, just press on that folder. It is asking for the path, so you can give your path, whichever, that same where you are saving the mesh file and all. That same path you can, then in that you can name here. Here I'm naming it as uh, barricade or barrier system or whatever. Barricade, okay. Barricade render image. It's not sequence, no, so it's image. Yeah, image. Now below that you have to choose a format. I'm choosing JPEG only, so I'll click on the PNG format. I'll choose the JPEG, and then quality is 100%. Color is RGB. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Now we have to set the camera. I don't know whether we have time for that. uh, just bring the cursor to the viewport and press 0, no. uh, Now you will not see anything. Press, select any cylinder in the outliner and press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. Okay. Again, it will not show. Okay. So, okay. Next session. No. So today can you come in any time, like how? Uh huh. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Yeah.